Lovely spinach, lovely tomatoes, little bit of seasoning. Our Italian herbs actually shine through, comes through with that tomato, creamy sauce. That is Tuscan chicken made. So easy, so quick. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, a really tasty, easy weeknighter, or any night really. We're making Tuscan chicken. A very, very straightforward, simple recipe to make actually. Bit of frying of the chicken and make up a sauce. Done. Serve it over mashed potatoes or pasta, whatever your choice. Now for all the oldies in the family, you know, that have trouble with their teeth, spinach, let's just break that off there. Spinach, you know, it has this stem going all up there and we want the leaf. So you just pull it off like that and it takes out that bit that always gets stuck in your teeth. Now of course you don't have to do any of that at all, but that's our leaves. Sun-dried tomatoes. These are mine, but straight out of a jar. Just give them a little bit of a chopping over. You don't have to go crazy, because if they're small like these will be absolutely fine in our dish. It's a garlic one, this one. Mash, 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 and now garlic for this one doesn't have to be minced up so fine, but that's entirely up to you. That is what I'm going to have, some nice chunks. Okay, we're ready to go. Season your chicken, a little bit of salt and pepper. Both sides of your chicken. A little bit of salt on there, a little bit of pepper on there. Job done. Okay, for this one, olive oil and butter. I want some flavouring in here on the chicken, and I want to be keeping that butter in there to carry on the dish. So we've got a little bit of butter in there. Put a flame on. And we're going to sear the chicken and we're going to take it out. Chicken in, skin side down. If you've got skin on. It doesn't really matter, skin on or not. Couple of minutes each side, sear up your chicken. Cook it a good 85% through if you can. So just flip your chicken. Start cooking it through from that end. Now you can flip it a couple of times, it doesn't matter. You just want to cook that chicken about 85% done. Now you could get a thermometer and stick it in and see if it's cooked. I'll leave that one to you. To make Tuscan chicken, you know, you can actually put paprika and things on the chicken as you're cooking. Now we're not going to do that. We're going to actually put the paprika and things in as we cook it. So it's not going to be on the chicken. The chicken is just chicken with salt and pepper only, nothing else. And the thing is with the chicken as well, when you're cooking, you can cook it a little bit longer on the underside because it's going to be sat in the sauce. So if it's sat in the sauce, even if it's firmed up a little bit underneath, it's going to loosen. Don't worry about it. Just cook your chicken. You don't want food poisoning. So turn it again, and then we'll probably turn it again. It doesn't matter. Okay, when you think you've got your chicken cooked to how you like it, chicken out. Take a little bit of foil. Cover it up. That chicken is still cooking. Have a quick look in there. Do you want any of that dark stuff? I don't. Out it comes. Now there is quite a decent amount of oil and butter in there, but I'm just going to put some fresh butter in to fry off the garlic. Flame not too high. Garlic in. Just a little fry on there. In with some tomato paste, 1 to 2 tablespoons, whatever you want to use. Give that a cooking in there. In there chili flakes if you're using, in there paprika, stir around. A little bit of cooking on those spices with that tomato in there. What a fabulous, fabulous smell. Chicken stock. There's a base of our sauce there, look. Nice and steady, bring it together. Flame not too high. In with your sun-dried tomatoes. Now I'm using Italian seasoning. There's a link on the channel if you want to make it. Nice little stir in there. Those Italian herbs are going to rehydrate in that tomato mixture. It smells fabulous. It really smells incredible. Right, we want to be chucking some cream in there. In with about a cup of cream. Let's have that stirred in. So we've got a fabulous sauce coming on there, in there with our Parmesan. Now this is going to thicken with this Parmesan. That is our Tuscan sauce made. That looks amazing. Season to taste. Now I will not be using any salt. I'm just going to put a little bit of black pepper in there. We don't need the salt because we're using chicken stock and it's a stock cube, which is salty enough for this. And obviously it's got the Parmesan. Spinach. Spinach is no more than that. And obviously use as much as you like. I've got quite a lot here. That smells off the charts. That is incredible. Return your chicken in there. Now all you're doing is warming back up the chicken. Make sure it's all fully cooked in there. That's all there is to it. It's an easy recipe, isn't it? And we've got this fantastic, fantastic sauce. Now what you can do is serve it with mashed potato, pasta, anything of choice. We're just going to plate it up with the sauce and the chicken. And there we are, that's our Tuscan chicken. Obviously serve it with pasta or mashed potato, but there you go. Tuscan chicken made. That is a really easy meal to put together, quick and easy, all in one pan actually, unless you did mashed potatoes or pasta. Here we go, Tuscan chicken, into our chicken. Look at that, perfectly cooked. Come on, let's give it a taste. Man. That is absolutely gorgeous. That is a beautiful, beautiful sauce. Really, really nice. That is absolutely first class. Lovely spinach, lovely tomatoes, little bit of seasoning. Our Italian herbs actually shine through, comes through with that tomato, creamy sauce. That is Tuscan chicken made. So easy, so quick. If you like what we're doing, don't forget share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make Tuscan chicken. And if you do like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, catch you in the next video. And that flavour of those sun-dried tomatoes bounces out of there.